What's up, guys? I'm Sabrina.
I'm Lisbeth.
I'm Angelica.
And this is Melissa.
And we are the
Slam
Fam.
So, this is our first video. Blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah. And we're going to do the Who Knows This One Better. She has like 10 questions, right?
Yes.
Alright,
So, should we
honestly,
start?
I'm terrified.
I'm scared too. Let's see
Okay.
who's gonna win.
So, what is my full name?
Is it Fuck! I forgot your middle name. No, wait. Is it like Nasela or something?
Bitch!
I guess I'll answer
Yeah,
that.
go ahead. Fuck.
It's Angelica. Well, you want your birth name from like
Full name.
like
It's
the
a full name.
the first one, like the
Yes.
one that your mom signed.
Yes.
Okay, Angelica Serena Narvaez.
Sabrina. What the
Yes.
fuck?
Why are you mad?
You better start putting this shit on your notes. Okay, what is my favorite color?
Green and purple.
Who is my ex-boyfriend that is now my best friend?
Who is now your best friend?
Yes.
Elizabeth Aloni.
It was at this moment that Emily knew. She fucked up.
I think you guys are both wrong. It is Eduardo. He was
said-
my ex-boyfriend and now he's my best
I
friend.
forgot because he said he would have got you pregnant instead.
Yes. So what is my new hobby?
You
What?
hobby? Wait,
Yes.
define
Decorating?
hobby. Wait, define hobby.
Like, what is something that I like to
to
do
do
the
now.
most now? Like, what is it that I do the most now?
Hookah?
Besides that, I don't think that counts right now. I just
Yeah.
didn't fry some fucking chicken wings in the new fryer. You like to listen to Winner?
No.
No, you like to. Do you like to watch?
like to
K-dramas?
Yes!
Wait, what?
K-dramas!
Because I remember she always watching freaking Journey
Damn
to the
it.
West.
Yes!
Damn
Why?
it. I'm sorry.
Oh, I broke my wrist.
Because of your dog. Your dog, you felt the dog, your demon dog felt like you tripped.
Just
Basically, Ava's just a savage.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What is my favorite drink?
Wait, you
it's,
want like liquor?
A liquor drink. Like, I already told you about
I
this.
know.
And you should know about
Is
this.
it Sex on the Beach?
Yes!
Wait, but you like it from somewhere specific.
Yes.
Is it? I don't want to say. It's not Applebee's.
No.
Didn't you say it was like?
There's something also in Applebee's that is my favorite drink. It's
I
like my
It's
know.
called
go-to.
Mama something like that because it's pink.
Bahama
and
Mama. Yeah.
Because I tried it, that shit was popping.
I like Sex on the Beach from Mofongo House.
Yes.
And I like Bahama Mama from Applebee's. That's my go-to drinks when I go to those places. When was the last time I did something fun?
When we went. When we went to Six Flags.
I would say that. Yeah.
You guys are good. Who is my go-to when it comes to do anything fun? My bad. Vibrating.
Sabrina?
Yes.
Is it Sabrina?
Yes.
Oh my!
I'm that bitch.
I'm on a roll.
Yes.
Boy, if you don't.
Okay.
I couldn't even answer that, and that was about me.
Okay. To what song I cry the most? When
I do wanna show
what show I was obsessed when it came to the Korean show?
What show you were obsessed when it came
Yes.
to the Journey to the West?
No.
Or well, Here Comes Trouble, whatever. I mean, it's
no,
the same
it was
shit.
a Korean drama.
I don't know. It wasn't. No, it's not Gangnam Beauty.
No.
It's not Gangnam Beauty.
Damn.
I don't know.
What does it start with?
It's that you watched a lot of them.
Yes, I always used to watch clips on YouTube even when I finished watching
It has
it.
to do with the guy from Journey to the West.
No.
I don't know what the name of that drama
But
is.
I can show you. I'm gonna give you guys another hint.
God damn.
He was from the army and she was a doctor.
Oh my God! Didn't you show me this?
I did show you.
Son,
my
it's
God.
Isn't it the guy from Journey to the West?
No. Ascendant of the Sun. That show
Does that
was
have this
yes,
one? I don't know.
yes. It was like the most popular show in Korea in 2017.
Okay.
Okay, who are my 3 bias at the moment?
Okay, I got it. Ah! Okay, it's Jin.
Mm-hmm.
It's Yoongi.
Mm-hmm.
And it's Taehyung because she love on my man dick. Yes, it is. You said bias, but you didn't.
Yes.
Okay, it's freaking.
The thing, the editing, and just goes like that.
Okay. So,
I actually asked you guys 11 questions.
but it's
Damn, that was
Jin,
11?
Yoongi, and Mino from Women.
Yes,
Mino
Mino
from who?
Mino from Winner. To close this video with this beautiful 2 ladies, and of course Melissa, which she didn't answer.
I'll
any
put
of
the
this
worst
question.
picture I have.
Oh, yes.
So that's the end of this video.
If you could please like, comment, share, subscribe, join the fam.
Share with your grandma. Bye!